Tribulus terrestris, also known as puncture vine, is a natural supplement that has been used for centuries to improve male fertility and overall health. A powerful plant, Tribulus terrestris is a legume family member found in various parts of the world. The plant is traditionally used as a medicine to treat various ailments, including male reproductive issues, low testosterone level, and fatigue. The first benefit of this supplement is its ability to boost testosterone level. Testosterone is a key hormone responsible for male sexuality, energy levels, improved athletic performance, and overall health. When your testosterone levels are low, you may experience symptoms like low energy, poor sexual performance, and decreased muscle mass. Tribulus terrestris helps to increase testosterone level in the body, leading to improved overall health, increased libido, and sexual performance. Additionally, this supplement has been shown to improve muscle strength and size, increase energy levels, and promote overall well being. Tribulus terrestris is a powerful natural supplement with numerous benefits for men and women. Whether you are looking to boost your testosterone levels, improve your sexual performance, or simply maintain overall health, this plant may be the perfect supplement for you. Tribulus terrestris is rich in antioxidants. Tribulus terrestris is an adaptogen, means helps the body to adapt to stress and maintain the balance of those having hectic lifestyles.